Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Project Melanin Beauty video. So today's look is sort of a bold one. We're going for a really bold lip and a really pretty gold eye. This look sort of reminds me of the sunset. So of course we're going to go in with foundation and concealer, and I'm just applying that with a synthetic brush, and then I'm going to blend it out using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. So once that's nice and blended out, you want to go ahead and set your makeup, and I'm using our dual powders to set. And then I'm going to go in with the medium contour and highlight palette, and I'm just going to highlight the center of her face, so under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, her forehead. And now I'm just contouring her cheeks to give her some really nice popping cheekbones. Moving on to brows, I'm starting off with the brow pencil in brunette, and I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas and thicken her brows just a little bit. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer and just to sort of clean up her brow and shape it some more and give it a more defined look. And you want to make sure to blend that concealer out. And you also want to make sure to set it as well. You can use a translucent powder to set it, so that way the concealer doesn't move. So I'm going in now with a brow shadow just to add a little bit of density to her brows. And I'm concentrating most of the color by the arch of the brow. And then I'm going to set it with a brow mascara. Alright, so going into eyes, I am actually using a blush in her crease, and this is going to be a transition color, and the blush I'm using is called Goldfish, which is a really pretty coral peach tone. And then I'm going into the Cocoa Couture palette, and I'm using the light shade under her brow to highlight. And then I'm going in with a gold shadow, and I believe this is from the Smoke and Meadows palette, and I'm just applying that all over her lid. Next, I'm going back in to the Cocoa Couture palette with a brown, and I'm just going to define the outer corner of her eye. And I'm bringing that brown right down to the bottom lash line. So now I'm just going to define her eyes just a little bit more by applying Black Caviar, our gel pencil, to the lower waterline and also to the upper lash line. And we're going in with some lashes for this look, and I believe I'm using Kiss lashes, and I think you could find those at Walmart. And once the lashes are nice and dry, you want to go in with a little mascara. Moving on to blush, I'm using the same blush we used in the crease of her eye, Goldfish, and I'm just applying that to the high points of her cheek. And now for a pop of color on the lips, we're going in with a pretty orange, and it's called La Orange. Really pretty, and I think it's a great color for springtime as well. And there you have it, guys, the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I absolutely love it.
What makes me confident in my skin is just being myself, just being me. What I love about being a black woman is that we are so bold, that I'm so bold. I'm willing to take up anything, a challenge, and we're just such outgoing people that you just want to always be around. What would tell my 12-year-old self now? To just live your life, enjoy it. Because when you reach this age, you're going to wish you were 12 again. So just live every moment.